the classic marketing theory that outlines the 4 stages a consumer passes through during the process of making a purchase decision. Developed in the late 19th century by advertising pioneer Elias Street. Elmo Lewis, the either model remains relevant in contemporary marketing as a framework for understanding and guiding consumer behavior. The 4 stages of the either model are: attention. The first stage of the either model is to capture the consumer's attention. In this stage, marketers aim to create awareness and draw the consumer's focus to their product or service. This can be achieved through eye-catching advertisements, compelling headlines, attention-grabbing visuals, or innovative marketing campaigns. The goal is to break through the clutter and make the consumer aware of the brand or offering. Interest. Once the consumer's attention has been captured, the next stage is to generate interest in the product or service. Marketers must provide information and benefits that pique the consumer's curiosity and engage their interest. This may involve highlighting unique selling points, demonstrating product features, or showcasing customer testimonials and reviews. By building interest, marketers can motivate consumers to learn more about the offering and consider making a purchase. Desire. In the desire stage, marketers aim to cultivate a desire or craving for the product or service in the consumer's mind. This involves creating emotional connections, appealing to desires and aspirations, and demonstrating the value and benefits of the offering. Marketers may use persuasive techniques such as storytelling, social proof, scarcity tactics, or special promotions to stimulate desire and encourage purchase intent. Action. The final stage of the either model is to prompt the consumer to take action and make a purchase. Marketers must provide clear and compelling calls to action that encourage consumers to buy now, visit a store, request more information, or take any other desired action. This may involve offering incentives, removing barriers to purchase, or creating a sense of urgency to prompt immediate action. The either model serves as a roadmap for marketers to guide consumers through the purchase journey and optimize their marketing efforts at each stage. By understanding the stages of attention, interest, desire, and action, marketers can develop targeted strategies and communications that effectively engage consumers and drive conversion.